aside for them right now they present for and I grate them. Aside we are tell about Top Chef. How to tell about Top Chef, we not talk about no Flap Chef. We are tell about Hot Chef. As I say right now they represent for life of a Jamaican chef. Really with a side. Life of a Jamaican chef and another regular type of Jamaican chef. You see me I say, and if you disbelieve.
What's good, Soulfly fam? You know it's your boy Henry back with another video, as would I say, another day, another dollar out here. Today I do it. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Remember, tell a friend out here. We are doing it.
Stop crime and violence and just love each other. Each and every day make we just pray to the Father and make we lift up that word.
What's good, Soulfly fam? Yeah, your boy Henry back again with another video. Yeah, so people, we are gonna do some real Jamaican Toto to the people. And Jamaican Toto is a small coconut cake. And in Jamaica, Toto can be served both as a snack and a dessert. Alright folks, we are head right in the kitchen. So here what? I'm gonna just tag along with we, you see me? We are jump right in the kitchen. So first thing we are do people, I'll get our coconut together. You see me? And we're gonna grate our coconut. If you don't have a grater, use a blender. If you don't have a blender, use a grater. Yeah. So for real. So alright folks, a simple trip round this and all. So the reason why we are blend this now people, you can use the grater and shred it, but the reason why we are blend this cause remember we're gonna use both the juice from the coconut and the coconut trash. So when we blend the coconut, we're gonna end up get the two things out of the coconut. We're gonna end up with the juice and we're gonna end up with the coconut trash. Also, did you know folks that Toto is a coconut spice cake that is popular throughout the Caribbean? And some island it's simply called as coconut cake. But you know in Jamaica we call it Toto. Somebody ever teach me how to do the Toto? Yes, so for all coconut lovers people, this is the dessert for you guys. It is simple, easy, and it is amazing. So here we have our coconut milk people. As you can see our coconut milk is well rich. So we're gonna get our spices. We have our vanilla. These are the Toto people. We're gonna pour our sugar and our mixed spice. And people, the recipe will be posted in the description, so you can try it at home. And yeah, trust me, it's gonna be worth it. So as I said, you can try it at home. So we're gonna season up the coconut milk. Then we're gonna pour the coconut trash into the coconut milk.
But it come out, or it will come out at all time. It never spoil, nor nothing. You smell that? You smell that, George? Smell how it smell nice?
So this is basically like the Toto.
Everything except
you're gonna use the
baking powder and flour.
And the coconut trash.
I mean use coconut trash in my Toto. Some people don't. Some people don't use the coconut.
What do you use?
They just make it like this. Or they use banana or something like that.
Banana.
Depends. It depends on what kind of Toto make. But me love it with the banana. Me love it with the coconut trash in there. We love it with the coconut trash.
So you pour the coconut in this, and the liquid here.
Yeah.
And you make it in that?
Yeah, I make it in this.
Like you make a cake butter?
Yeah.
So people, real Jamaican food. Real Jamaican food. Smell nice up. Oh, me never ever do them something yet. I mean, always do.
George.
Them need to put them something in a school, because when we go to school, them not give them something to do. We not get them something in a practical.
George, listen to me.
So that's why most Jamaicans.
Me grew up with my grandmother. Tell you know that all the while. She was a person in the kitchen where, make me tell you something. My grandmother would have go in the kitchen and have one egg. And when she done cook that one egg, remember me tell you, nice on it, because she have cook it down with pumpkin, she have cook it down with Irish, she have cook it down with it. Thank you. So you say you don't have no meat, remember me tell you a lie I tell you. Because she have find meat view. You can't say you don't have no
I feel like they need to instill this in a school, them in a Jamaican, in a food school. We do some of them something like that. One time I never do pudding. Not practical, everything else is cake, souffle, pastry product. Only thing I do in a pastry product are like for the what I say? Patty and them something there. And quiche, how they call quiche Jamaican.
Yes, so folks, what do you think? Comment down below. Jamaican should implement more Jamaican cuisine items. So, anyway, we're gonna put the toast in the oven to bake for 35 minutes, people. After the 35 minutes, we're gonna take out our toto and you're going to use a cue stick or you can use a matching stick to ensure that the pudding is finished. If not, put back into the oven for another 10 minutes. Then take out and put on a rack to be cooled. And this is our finished product, people. Nice, easy Jamaican toto. So hope you guys enjoyed. You have reached to the end of my video, people. Please do remember to subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell. Bye. Yes, people say no to bullying, no to violence, no to racism.